Good evening, friends. Welcome back to another episode of what the heck is he doing anyway? I just got done putting this wagon pusher onto a 1954 John Deere 70 gas. I tell you what, I think it looks rather sexy, don't you? Especially that straight pipe. Oh boy, and a light idle. Oh, she makes a beautiful sound. Anyway, this tractor, I just acquired it a few weeks ago. I traded my 70 standard diesel. I know a lot of you are going to be out there getting all grumpy with me. Oh my God, you should never got rid of that. That's a rare tractor. Probably is, but my lazy ass, I needed power steering. God darn flies. So anyway, this video is going to be me showing you how I put that fancy little bumper on there, and it's going to be on a time lapse, so I won't be boring you with boring details. So enjoy, and thanks for watching.